Parrots will selflessly assist one another. Although parrots are often linked with pirates, African gray parrots are nothing like the notoriously hungry treasure hunters. Instead, scientists discovered that the multicolored birds will voluntarily assist one another in obtaining food incentives and execute other tasks. Voluntarily assist one another in obtaining food incentives. African gray parrots were innately motivated to help others, even if the other individual was not their friend, therefore they behaved very prosocially, study co-author August van Bayern said.